How to add rotating rays effect in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click on your video in timeline and choose Open on Fusion page. Select Media in Node, press Shift plus space, search for Magic Mask, and add it. Draw a line above the subject you want to track. Set Mode to Better, and click on Track Forward and Backward button. After tracking is finished, open up Effects panel, expand Templates, expand Fusion, and click on Backgrounds. Drag Rotate Rays tool into Composition and connect it to output of Magic Mask to merge them. Select Merge Node and press Ctrl+T to swap foreground and background. Select Rotate Rays node and change its color to your liking. Increase alpha to 1 and decrease noise scale to 0. Play around with values until you're happy with vignette and the speed of animation. Once you're happy with the result, go back to the Edit page. From Playback menu, set Render Cache to Smart, and allow this red line to become blue.